I'm very happy today. I'm very happy today. Let's eat something. Let's eat something. I love this song. I love this song. Can you help me? Can you help me? I need water. I need water. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. I'm feeling hungry. I'm feeling hungry. Let's go outside. Let's go outside. I want coffee. I want coffee. Please sit here. Please sit here. I'm very tired. I'm very tired. Call me later. Call me later. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. I need a pen. I need a pen. This is interesting. This is interesting. I like your style. I like your style. Let's meet tomorrow. Let's meet tomorrow. I'm feeling cold. I'm feeling cold. That's very kind. That's very kind. I'm ready now. I'm ready now. Let's have fun. Let's have fun. I want to learn. I want to learn. It's too hot today. It's too hot today. I'm very busy. I'm very busy. I need a nap. I need a nap. Let's drink water. Let's drink water. I'm feeling sleepy. I'm feeling sleepy. This is my favorite. This is my favorite. I need some rest. I need some rest. I love reading books. I love reading books. Let's go shopping. Let's go shopping. I feel nervous. I feel nervous. It's very funny. It's very funny. I want to sleep. I want to sleep. Let's watch TV. Let's watch TV. I need some food. I need some food. This is amazing. This is amazing. I'm feeling better. I'm feeling better. Let's go to the park. Let's go to the park. I'm very surprised. I'm very surprised. That's very useful. That's very useful. I want some juice. I want some juice. Let's take a walk. I feel excited. This is very easy. This is very easy. I'm learning fast. I'm learning fast. Let's eat lunch. Let's eat lunch. I need a break now. I need a break now. See you next time.